friends, this is Debs again. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a face pack which will keep your skin glowing for a week. So please try this. It's very simple. First you need to take 1 tablespoon of besan. Take a small piece of lemon and squeeze it. Take a tablespoon of honey. Curd you can just take half a tablespoon and mix it, and you can take out the aloe vera juice and you can use it. So I have already put the aloe vera juice and now I'll mix it properly. Into a nice smooth paste. Mix the aloe vera properly. See, it's a nice paste. You can use this mask in your face, in your neck, in your hands and your feet, and let it dry for around 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Now I'm going to apply and I'm going to show you. Just put it in your skin like this. Light, don't put too much, a little, and leave it for 15 minutes. After it's dried completely, after that you can clean it with cold water, or you can take a towel and just wipe it with water. You will see how soft and glowing it looks. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you.